Let's solve the question, last question, that is the question number 40. Approximately what was the total number of defaulters of bank T in the year 2007 and 2008 together? So defaulter for, let's write, for bank T in year 07 and 08, that will be definitely be equal to defaulter for bank T in the year 07 plus defaulter in bank T in the year 08. And we know how to calculate the defaulters. Defaulters in the year 2007 for T. 2007 for T. Total number of people taking loan is 36152. Here 36152 multiplied by the percentage of defaulters, that is for the 2007 this row 90%, this much 19%. So for 19%, 0.19. Okay, for this plus defaulter for the year 08 2008 35463 35463 number of people taking loan into defaulter percentage is 18%. So 0.18 multiplied by 0.18. Okay, now we have to get this value. Now this again, this is not an easy calculation, but we can make it easier. Now look, 0.19, 19% or 0.19 is basically, we can say it is 20% minus 1%. Here we can write also in terms of percentage. Here basically it is, we can write in terms of percentage. If we write it 19% of this plus for 2008, that is 35463, this one, and 18%, 35463 into 18%. So 19% means 20 minus 1%, and 18% means 20 minus 2%. So 20% means 1/5. 20% means 1/5. So basically here what we have to do, we have to subtract 1% from the 1/5 of this value. We have to subtract 1% from the 1/5. So basically 36152 into 1/5, that is 20%, minus 1% of this value is 361.52. Okay, plus this is 1/5, that is 35463 into 1 by 5 minus 2%, that is 354 into 2, that is 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, that is 7. Now with this the calculation becomes easier. So the 1/5 of this value is 5 7s are 35, 1 1, 5 2s are 10, 1 5, 5 3s are, then 0 point something 0.4, yes, minus 361.52, and here we are getting 5 7s are, then 0, then 5 9s are, then 1 3, 1 3 we can say 1 3, we get 13 5 3s are, we can say approximate minus 708. We can calculate how much it is. 7230 minus 361, let's not take the decimal part, minus 361, The first one, that is 10 minus 1, that is 9, 12 minus 6, that is 6, 11 minus 3, that is 8 and 6. Here we are getting 6, 8, 6, 9 for this, plus 7, 0, 9, 3 minus 7, 0, 8. 13 minus 8, that is 5. Here we are getting 8. Here 10 minus 7, that is 3, and here we are getting 6. So here 6, 3, 8, 5. This figure has been simplified with this. Now add these two, 6, 8, 7, 6, 9 and 6, 3, 6, 5. Add with the 6, 3, 6, 3, 8, 5 rather. 6, 3, 8, 5. That is basically 9 plus 5, that is 14. 8 plus 6, 14, plus 1, that is 15. 8, 3, 11 plus 1, that is 12. 2, 6, 6, 12 plus 1, that is 13. So that comes out to be 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. So it is closer to which option? Let's see. 1, 3, 2, 5, 4. 1, 3, 2, 5, 0. This is closer to the option 3. So in this way we have solved this example. We will see more example in the next class.